Hi, and welcome to Always Eclectic Stacy. This is 5-minute chemistry, where you learn chemistry concepts and see examples in 5 minutes or less. Today we're in the Ionic compound series, and we're taking a balanced compound and converting it back into its name. And today we're working with KNO₃. Ready, set, let's chemistry. And welcome to Always Eclectic Stacy. Today we're taking a compound and converting it back into its name. And for KNO₃, the first thing we have to do is determine if it's an ionic compound or a covalent compound. So we're starting with K because we know that K is potassium, and potassium is a metal. And NO3 we know is a polyatomic. So metal plus polyatomic, or metal plus non-metal, always equals ionic. Then our next question is, does K or is K a transition metal or one of those metals that act like a transition metal? And the answer is it isn't. So this is a really simple one. So we name our cation first, and that always goes first. And for the first one, we're just going to name straight out the element. K is potassium. Because for a cation, you just write the element and then you add ion, but when we're naming a compound, you drop the ion off, so you're just going to name it potassium. NO3 is our polyatomic, and if you're struggling with the polyatomics, please go ahead and check out our polyatomic video. NO3 is nitrate. You don't have to do anything with the anion. In fact, the anion is the one that will really dictate if you need to balance a compound or determine the charge. You always go to your anion. Anyhow, KNO₃, no transition metals, straight naming becomes potassium nitrate. Thank you so much for watching. This was Always Eclectic Stacy. Please go ahead and check out our other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.